Toyota semi-automatic. Answer for a question: if I need to put, when I stay on the traffic light, if I need to put on N or on E. And what I say, I will say it's no matter. Because why? When I'm turn on the switch, and before I push the brake, look at this, the clutch is not pulled. The clutch actuator, it's not pulling the clutch. You see where is located and what is the rubber. But when I want to start the car, I need to push the brake, right? And the moment I'm pushing the brake, now the clutch is pulled. You see? It starts on another place. And rubber. It means that clutch actuator pulled the clutch. And now I'm start the car and it never released. I'm driving, for example, I'm coming to traffic light, and in this it's pulling, and if I will put the neutral, it's still pulled. You see? Yes. So it's only two conditions of this position: or clutch is pulled, or it released and the car is moving on the gear, and it's no any. So it's no matter what I will choose, the neutral or E on the traffic light. Yeah.